In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or change your company information in QuickBooks Online. Whether you've updated your logo, rebranded, or simply need to correct a typo, updating your company information is an essential step to ensure all your documents and reports reflect the most accurate details. Let's dive right into it. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the QuickBooks Online dashboard, a place you're likely familiar with for managing your finances. For this task, our focus will shift towards the area where these important updates are made. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it, and behold a drop-down menu unfolding before you. In this menu, you'll spot the option labeled Account and Settings. Selecting this option will lead you to a new section where all your company's details are systematically organized. Now pay attention to the left-hand side where you'll see the Company tab. This is your gateway to managing your company's core information. Once you click on Company Name, you'll have the freedom to make edits. Not only can you change the company name here, but you also have the opportunity to update the logo and the legal name if needed. These fields are particularly important if your company has gone through a rebranding or any changes in its legal structure. It's crucial to ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Taking the time to double-check these entries can save you a lot of potential issues in the future, especially concerning compliance and effective client communication. When you're happy with all the changes you've made, remember the final and crucial step. Click on the Save button. This action will ensure that all your edits are permanently recorded in QuickBooks Online. Without hitting Save, all your hard work would be for nothing, as none of the changes would be retained within the system. And there you have it. Those are the straightforward steps to update your company information in QuickBooks Online. Making sure this information is current is vital for maintaining the professional image of your company. Plus, it serves as a quick reference for your staff and any stakeholders who require consistent documentation from your company. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. As always, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.